Now, if you want to create a professional company profile using Canva here, well, it's pretty easy. Now, first things first is you want to go to canva.com and just log in into your account. Now, once in here, you want to go and click on create at the top left here, and you want to go and choose presentations. Now, obviously, if you want to create a video instead of a presentation, you could go and just click on videos. But for now, let's go and choose presentations and click on presentation. Now, the great thing about Canva is you can actually use or start using their templates to basically describe or to create a presentation. Now, let's go ahead and basically choose one of the designs here. So you have templates. Let's go and just describe this. Let's go just type in the following. It's going to be company profile and just press enter. It's going to redirect you to different designs that you could use in here. Now, obviously, there are a lot of designs that you could choose from. Now, as long as the design does not have a crown on it, it's pretty much free to use. Now, as an example, maybe I want to use one of them. Like maybe I want to use this one. Let's go and click on it. That's going to give you an overview what it's actually going to look like. Now, if you want to use everything here, just click on apply all 10 pages. And as you can see, our company profile has been created. Now, the only thing that you need to do here is just edit or update the details. Now, if you want to edit certain text here, you can go and just double click on the text and replace this with whatever company that you have. Like for example, I'm going to name this as this profile. And from here, just add whatever you want. Just make sure to double click on the text so that you could basically update it. Now, some of them are just placeholder holders here, like for lorem ipsum dolor sit amet. But yeah. Now, if you want to update the picture, this one's pretty easy. You just need to go to the upload section, click on uploads, and you can just drag whichever photo that you want, or you could upload the files that you want to use. Now, I already have some images I have in here. Maybe I want to use this one. Let's go and just press and hold on this one, drag it into the photo section that I want to update, and as you can see, our photo has now been updated. And that's what's cool about Canva. Now, if you want to choose the second page here, as you can see right now, you can go and just choose that. And again, pretty much the same thing. Double click on the text to replace it, drag photos in order for you to replace that photo. And also, elements here are also adjustable. Like for example, you want to change the alignment of the lines here, make it a lot closer. And if you want to change the alignment, how certain elements look like for example, you want to change the look of the triangle here, you go and select them, press and hold on shift, so you can select multiple elements together here and basically move them together in such way. But yeah, once you're done, you can go and either click on share or present this one, or even download this for later use. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.